In this profound meeting of two men from different times, both called to fulfill God's will, we find Peter, the disciple who followed Christ and became the rock of the early church, and Jonah, the reluctant prophet who learned about God's mercy through his journey to Nineveh. Together, they reflect on their struggles, their missions, and God's unwavering mercy.
Jonah, I once thought I was strong, but I denied my Lord in his greatest hour of need. 3 times, I let fear control me. Yet, he forgave me and restored me, calling me to lead his people. I learned that even in our weakness, God's mercy lifts us up.
Peter, I, too, tried to run from my calling. I didn't believe the people of Nineveh deserved God's mercy. I was swallowed by my own pride, but God's mercy reached even me, in the belly of the great fish. He showed me that his mercy extends to all, even to those we think are beyond saving.
You were called to bring God's message to a people you thought didn't deserve it. I was called to lead a church that was scattered and broken. In both our cases, it wasn't about what we wanted, it was about surrendering to God's will.
When I stood outside Nineveh, waiting for God to destroy it, I realized how limited my vision was. God's love is far greater than I could understand. He cares for all people, even those I was unwilling to reach. I learned that God's plan is bigger than my own desires.
When I stood on the shores of the Sea of Galilee, I was just a fisherman. But through Christ, I became a fisher of men. His grace transformed me, and I am forever grateful that he trusted me with the task of guiding his people.
I was angry at God's mercy, but now I see that his grace is not just for the righteous. It's for all who are willing to turn back to him. I may have tried to flee, but God's purpose cannot be escaped. In the end, his will was done, despite my resistance.
Both Peter and Jonah, through their own journeys of reluctance, fear, and redemption, found that God's mercy extends beyond our failures and expectations. Their stories remind us that no one is too far from God's grace, and that his purpose for each of us, no matter how daunting, is always for the greater good. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others so that these powerful messages of God's grace and love can reach more people around the world.